Here's one for you. DeWalt nail gun. Customer says brand new. It's done nothing. Fired a few nails, kept getting jammed. Straight back to DeWalt. DeWalt says it's fixed, nothing wrong with it. Perfect, good to go. Customer says still doing the exact same thing. Shoots a couple of nails, gets jammed. Let's see what DeWalt missed. That's okay. No nail jam. No head stuck inside. There we go. There's the problem there. Got your fingies in that one. Now we have to strip the whole thing to get into this, to fix this problem. But very easy fix. Here's your problem there. Spring's not been installed correctly. Doesn't look like much, but this is what puts tension on your roller to keep it pushed up, to put pressure on the pin to keep it against the flywheel. This doesn't have enough tension, it just jams up the gun. When this gun fires, this flywheel spins, solenoid back here pulls this assembly back, and as this goes back, that drops down. That's what puts your tension on your pin, pushes it against the flywheel and throws it forward. And as it gets thrown, this locks, it can't come back, and as the pin retracts again, this goes back this way, and the springs take it back, ready to load again. The springs aren't strong enough, she comes back and she just sits cocked. It doesn't get the proper engagement to fire, and when she misfires, she jams up. Then you have to open her up, take off the back cover to get it to run again. So, how to fix it? Take out a little spring, pop it on there. That's it. Now, that's just a very simple manufacturing fault. Nothing major about it. Can happen to any brand. No big deal. Mistakes can be made. Happens every now and again. Simple fix. No one to really worry about there. Can't blame the company for that. But you really should have picked up on that little fault there when it was sent on for warranty repair. What they probably did was take it out, test the gun, realise the thing was jammed. Pin was probably jammed up here. Probably opened it up, pulled this out, realised it was jammed, thought it was just a nail jam, put it back together again, assuming the customer had just jammed it and didn't know how to unjam it. You have to remember, when you get a warranty machine like this here for repair, especially when it's brand new, customer knows what they're doing. They're not sending it on to you for repair to be without it for a few weeks. The customer needs the gun. It's a tool they need to use. They don't want to be without it. They're not sending it in for nothing. And they probably have already tried unjamming it. So if you get one of these in for repair, check it over fully. Make sure there's nothing else wrong with it, not just a nail jam. Especially when it's brand new like this here. There could be a little manufacturing fault in it you need to check out. Apart from that, very simple little fix. Just needed to be stripped down to do it. Again, watch the fingies. So that bites. That's it. One little spring reattached was all it needed. Simple as that.